Imagine waking up one day, realizing you've wasted years doing absolutely nothing. What if one tiny decision changed your whole life? A single moment of real action. That's what separates dreamers from doers. This isn't about motivation quotes. This is a real story about struggle, grit, and raw truth. So if you're feeling lazy right now, stay, because this story might just destroy that laziness forever. Once upon a time, in 19th century America, there lived a young man named Thomas Edison, known later as one of history's greatest inventors. But Thomas wasn't always called a genius. As a kid, he was considered slow, lazy, and uninterested in school. Teachers called him addled, and he was eventually pulled out of school. His mom decided to teach him herself at home. Every day, his mother read stories about great inventors and scientists, tales full of hard work, patience, and relentless effort. Thomas used to wander through their small house, watching his mom flip pages day after day, feeling bored, lazy, and hopeless. One afternoon, a simple question hit him. Why am I wasting time doing nothing while others create the future? That question changed everything. He decided he would never accept laziness as his fate again. He started experimenting, breaking apart clocks, toys, everyday items just to see how they worked inside. His first experiments ended in failure after failure. Sometimes nothing worked. Sometimes things exploded. Sometimes he destroyed valuable tools. But instead of quitting, he told himself, failure is just feedback. Every mistake taught him something new about electricity and circuits. At night, while others slept, Thomas stayed awake scribbling notes, drawing ideas, obsessed with turning imagination into reality. Over time, his lazy boy who hated school transformed into a sleepless inventor, someone tirelessly chasing light, sound, motion. He built over 1,000 prototypes for the light bulb. Many failed. Some burst, some just flickered weakly. Each failure should have crushed him, but he had developed discipline, focus, and unshakable determination. On his 1,000th attempt, flip. The bulb glowed steadily. Warm light filled the dark lab. The world changed that night. That glowing bulb became a beacon, not merely of light, but of hope, progress, and human will. All because that boy refused to remain lazy. He vowed to himself, I can't afford to wait for someone else's motivation. He transformed laziness into action, excuses into experiments, boredom into invention. The lazy kid became a legend. His story wasn't comfortable. It had pain, doubts, endless nights, failure after failure, yet he never gave up. And that's the message. Laziness doesn't define you. Action, consistency, and grit do. Maybe right now you're scrolling on your phone, telling yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. Been there, I get you. But imagine how different life becomes if you treat today as that moment. The moment you stop being lazy. Because let me tell you, greatness isn't reserved for a few special people. It's for everyone who dares to fight laziness. I'm not promising instant success. But I promise this, if you flip the switch, show up, try, fail, try again, you will grow. So don't wait. Start small. Do one thing today that lazy you would skip. Maybe it's writing a plan, studying an hour, or just standing up and walking. If you do that once, tomorrow becomes easier. If you do it again, you build a habit. One by one, habits build a different you. In fact, some of the most watched videos out there, like Stop Laziness, Best Motivational Video Compilation for Success in Life and Studying 2020, exist because people want that wake-up call. And today, you're watching this maybe because you're ready for that call. So here's the deal. If laziness has been holding you back, you have a choice. Sleep a little more or wake up and build something real. Because success isn't magic. It's just hard work, day after day, even when no one's watching. Let this story of Edison remind you, even the lazy kid can become the light bringer of the world. Don't let excuses win. Don't let comfort trap you. Embrace discomfort. Learn, try, fail, repeat. One small action today can break months, years of stagnation. That tiny spark can ignite a flame inside you. So stand up, take a breath, and go. Do what lazy you would never dare to do, because you have dreams, and dreams deserve effort. And if you ever feel lost, remember, change starts when you decide to stop being lazy and start being real.